Good morning, dear children. Welcome to the Summer Camp 2021. Children, we can't go outside to enjoy our summer vacation, so we have organized some indoor fun activities for our extremely talented children. We are going to make refreshing mocktails today. Let's start with the mango mocktail. But before that, let's visit a mango orchard. Mango is known as the king of fruits. It is an excellent source of potassium, folate fiber, and vitamins. Mangoes are rich in antioxidants which prevent chronic diseases, especially heart diseases. Children, mangoes also aid in digestive health. Mango is one of the favorite fruit of children because of its taste. Here you can see lush green trees with baby mangoes on it. In India, a variety of mangoes are available like the Cherry, Alfonso, etc. Children, here you can enjoy the virtual orchard visit. You can see the green trees with green baby mangoes on it. Now let's learn about the mango mocktail. And we will also learn how can we make it. The mocktail was originally enjoyed in festive occasions and parties. These days, serving mocktail is so popular that you will find variety of mocktails in almost all hotels, restaurants and parties. I must say, these days the mocktails are the main source of attraction for foodies and fruit lovers. Fruits are the excellent source of essential vitamins and minerals. They are high in fiber. Eating a diet rich in fruits and vegetables can reduce a person's risk of getting diseases. Keeping the health benefit of fruits in mind, we add in refreshing drinks and mocktails in our meals. Dear children, a mocktail can be described as a smooth blend of fresh fruits, syrups, herbs, and even the spices that are easily available and healthy. Children, it contains a variety of ingredients which helps to create a versatile blend of flavors. Virtually anything can be added to a mocktail, including sugar, salt, fruit syrup, mint leaves, honey, etc. Even any spice or herb can be added to give a different flavor. Children, nothing could be better than serving the mocktail to your guests. So, let's start. You can arrange all these fruits that are easily available in summers to make your guest feel good. Children, you can also surprise your parents by organizing a mocktail treat for your dear ones. Mangoes! You can get variety of mangoes from the market. Green mangoes, yellow mangoes, yummy mangoes. Children, let's gather the ingredients. You can take 7 to 8 tablespoons mango puree. I have used blender to make this puree. Younger children can take help of their parents to make the puree. Take 7 to 8 tablespoons crushed sugar or make syrup of it. Take 7 to 8 tablespoons black salt to add flavor. Then take juice of 2 lemons, fresh mint leaves and few slices of lemon. Fresh mint leaves are easily available and adds refreshing flavor and fragrance. Then you can take crushed beetroot or puree, or you can cut it into small pieces like this. Besides adding color, it adds flavor to your drink. Now take a glass and rotate it upside down and top it with black salt. To make some other fruit mocktail, you can top it with crushed sugar also. Put some fresh mint leaves in the glass. It not just adds flavor but also aids in digestion. It is also good immunity booster. You can also add some more mint leaves as per your taste. Now take a lemon slice and put it in the glass. You can also take 2 slices, depends on your taste. I would prefer 1 slice. Now let's muddle it. Muddle it with wooden muddler. I'm using this. You can use any other muddler that you have. Muddling with a wooden muddler gives it a different fragrance, so I always prefer using it. Now add some sugar to it, like you can add 3 to 4 tablespoons for making 1 glass of mocktail. You can use sugar syrup also, add according to your taste. You can add according to your taste. Now we will add lemon juice in it. Though we already have put 1 lemon slice for the flavor, adding 2 spoons of it so that it will mix properly with the ingredients. You can add as per your taste. Now we will add black salt in it. You can add 1/4 of black salt. Besides adding flavor, it also helps in digestion. It also tastes good, children. Now, here is our final ingredient, mango puree. You can add 4 tablespoons to make 1 glass of mocktail. As I said, you can add 3 to 4 tablespoons of it, like this. Yes. Now, children, now we have to mix it properly. Rotate it. You can also rotate it like this and then tap it so that ingredients will get mixed properly. Now we will add the final ingredient, that is soda in it. You can add any of the white carbonated drink in it. You can add chilled water also if you are making it for your younger brother or sister who is less than 2 years of age. Fill the glass. Yes. Here is the final ingredient in the glass. Now mix it with this muddler. You can mix it with spoon also. I'm mixing it with this muddler. Now to garnish it, I will add beetroot to it. Yes. Now beetroot also adds color to it. You know, beetroot is also a good source of iron. So it increases the blood level. Now children, we will top it with this slice of lemon. Yes, you can place it here like this. Now you can also use some fresh mint leaves. These are awesome in taste and flavor. These are easily available fresh mint leaves. It adds natural flavor to the drink. Like this you can do. Yes. Now children, you can see how tempting it is. I can't wait to have it. You can see. Children, look at this. Look at this. This is yum. This is yum. Yum. Enjoy it. You can make other drinks also. You can make mango shake. This is again yum and easy to make. You can make Ampanna also. It is again the refreshing drink, especially for this summer season. Then here I have made pudding also. I love pudding. You can make anything, or children, you can make anything from these mangoes, or you can make everything with the blend of flavors. So enjoy it. Children, make it, serve it, and enjoy these refreshing drinks with your family. Children, thank you for joining me to celebrate the holidays, wishing you a season filled with joy and merriment. Thank you once again, children.